Hello! Let's say you had to fix a broken metal part in your home or in your kitchen. It's not possible to stick metals with a normal super glue, but you can stick them by using this super glue. This is actually not super glue, it's Pattex Power Epoxy. Inside the package we have two adhesives, part A and part B. Mix these two adhesives together and apply it to your metals and it will be fixed easily. This product can be used with iron, steel, brass, aluminum and many more metals. It's used with different materials too, such as glass, wood, plastics, cement and stones like marbles, for example. It's the perfect solution for your everyday home fixes. It's foolproof, you cannot go wrong with epoxy. Now let's go ahead and demonstrate how we use it and show you the results. Now that we've opened the packaging, we have part A here and part B. We will mix these two. You can use the plastic packaging as a plate for mixing. It comes also with a plastic spoon that you can use for mixing. Don't forget to use the back of the lid to open. We will try to squeeze out the same amount from each part. Now we mix. Now we have to use this amount within 5 minutes of mixing. So we will take 1 minute for mixing and the rest of the time we will use it for applying the material. Now that it's mixed, we're going to use it on this tile. Our next test subject will be wood, and for that we're going to be using a little bit more than usual. The last material we're going to test is these two metal pieces. Let's go. You see me using my hand while working with epoxy without any gloves or any protection, and that's because it's safe to touch. Unlike super glue, which is really dangerous if it spills on your hand or if you get anything or if you miss any spot. It can be damaging to your furniture, it can be damaging to your equipment. So this is one of the main differences between super glue and epoxy. No leverage. This product was really amazing for only 12 dirhams. You can buy it from Fepy application or you can drop a message to the WhatsApp number below. Free delivery across all Emirates of UAE.